I'm Dan the Nature Man, and this week I'll be exploring through the deep heart of the Congo jungle for 30 minutes. Think I can do it? I'm looking for sticks so I can make a bow and hunt and find some meat to feast on. 'Cause I'm starving. I've been out here for like 20 minutes already. This should do. Need to shake it down a little bit. Alright, that should be fine. Alright, that should do it. Alright, I gotta find some meat. I'm starving. Haven't had anything to eat for about 25 minutes now. Been looking for some tracks. Couldn't really find any food. So maybe finding a few animal tracks might lead me. Wait, I think these are the indigenous people of the Congo jungle. It appears they're cannibals almost. They have some victim and they're carrying them. I'm gonna slowly stay behind them and see if they'll lead me to civilization of some sort. And maybe they're friendly. They aren't friendly. They took my bow and they took my knife. I don't know if I'm gonna survive this one, guys. Ah. No, no, no.